Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to flip through the latest book from Hanna Karlzon. Now this is one of her ones for children, so it's she's doing like this series now for kids. But what I love is it comes with the same quality paper and the images are actually really good. So she doesn't like dumb it down. It doesn't have the hardback cover like her normal books. These are paperback. They are way smaller, of course, but I'll show you. This is Space. But yeah, this is good cardstock. Let's see, you can hear it. All right. So here is the belongs to page. And yes, it's made for kids. Like this is her little one for kids, but I'm so happy to see that it has her style. And yeah, she like took a few, of the extra details out, but I mean, really, this is going to be fun for adults. It's a smaller book as well, so it'll be a little easier to color. But look at these pages. This is so cute. And I showed her other one just last week, I think. But see, these don't have to be for kids. Oh my gosh, think of the background you could do with that one. And that one's really cute too. These are just adorable. I mean, I'm not a big space person, but this one has some cute stuff in it. Oh, the background opportunities for that one too. So fun. Yeah, these are really cute. They're a little pricey, but not like as pricey as her hardcover ones. But it's because you're getting good paper, so keep that in mind. That would be a fun one. Ooh. And that's the end. So there you go. Yeah, so she has two of these out now. I'll leave a link in the description below to both, but this one is Space. I had it on pre-order, but it is available on Amazon now. So thanks for watching, and if you already picked this up, let me know what you think, or what you think of these like ones for kids that obviously us adults are going to buy anyway. I'd love to know. And until next time, take care. Bye now.